Would you please provide the form to my bailiff? We, the jury, find the defendant, Mark Wagner, not guilty of second-degree recklessly endangering safety as charged in the information. I will now poll the jury. Mr. Oswald, is this your verdict? Yes. Okay, and to, I know I'm going to butcher your name, Ashley, is this your verdict? Yes. Okay, Mr. Peterson, Ms. Cole, yes. Mr. Chwalik, Ms. Flores, Ms. Schwerdeski, yes. Mr. Burkholz, yes. Mr. Bricolet, yes. Ms. Dinakaran, yes. Mr. Kress, yes. And Ms. Rodriguez. All right, now that your service is completed, some of you may have questions about the confidentiality of the proceedings. You are free to discuss this case with any person you choose. However, you do not have to discuss the case with anyone or answer any questions about it from anyone other than the court. If you do decide to discuss the case with anyone, including the media, keep in mind that your fellow jurors fully and freely stated their opinions and may not want their opinions made public. Please respect the privacy of the views of your fellow jurors. I did ask that you remain in the room for a few minutes. I'd like to just chat with you. I won't keep you long, I promise. But if you wouldn't mind waiting in the jury room, I just have to wrap up a few matters with the attorneys. Members of the jury, on behalf of Dane County, the court would like to express its sincerest gratitude and appreciation for your service in this case. The court, as well as the parties, recognize that you have devoted significant time and tolerated restrictions on your normal activities during this trial. Your service is a necessary and essential part of the justice system guaranteed by the Constitution of the United States. I hope you found the experience to be a rewarding one. So at this time, we will all, one last time, all rise for the jury. All right, you can be seated. At this time, I am going to enter a judgment of acquittal to dismiss this case. You are no longer under any bail conditions. Agent Wagner, congratulations. And if there is nothing further, anything you want to raise before we break? Mr. Ozan or Mr. Moser? Okay, Mr. Steinle or Mr. Sanders? Okay.
Are we free to withdraw our exhibits at this point?
When you say withdraw them.
Okay, that's fine.
We have to keep, well, I mean, we have the court record. I think we could probably return, we're returning like the firearms and the physical evidence.
That's more what I meant than anything. I don't really need the paper, but I just wondering.
Okay, well, in light of the fact that this is a not guilty, do you have any objection to the return of like the physical, the shield and the Halligan tool and things like that?
I think we'd want to look at the statutes and we can get an answer this week.
Okay, I already did an order though saying authorizing the return of the firearms to Detective Meyerhofer.
Correct, that's fine. I think if there's things that are not needed for any reason, we'd certainly agree to return them. I just don't want to make a snap decision.
Yeah, I just don't know. Yeah, and I don't know where we would even store that stuff. So, all right, well, let us know within the week. Everybody have a great weekend. It's been a long couple of weeks.